Well, now you have the story from James Bond's own mouth. Moving on, Dealeryn Saisi Wasike, the toddler rescued from the collapsed building in Huruma 4 days after the incident, was this morning released to her father from the Kenyatta National Hospital. The child was hospitalized 2 weeks ago and had been receiving treatment following the tragedy which claimed the life of her mother. Otieno reports.
She has been the proverbial poster child for hope in an operation that has seen 51 lives lost in a senseless tragedy that saw rescue operations drag on for nearly 9 days. And now, 12 days after she was admitted at East Africa's largest referral hospital, baby Dealeryn Saisi, clad in a pink dress and socks, will be reunited with her father once again.
Niko na furaha kubwa sana, ni kwa manake mtoto amekuwa nje ya mikono yangu kwa muda mrefu. Kuna wale ambao walikuwa nao lakini hawakufaulu, lakini kwa bahati ya Mungu wangu alifaulu. Mimi narudishia Mungu shukrani.
Her days at the institution, she had renewed strength in the operation, then taking place at Huruma miles away, even as a miraculous rescue coming 4 days after the building caved in, signified hope to many families awaiting news about their loved ones.
Hebu salimia wenzao wa Kenya.
The joy of a father reunited with his daughter, just one of the success stories in a tragedy that has since seen the county promise to down buildings yet to be demolished by their owners come Tuesday. In a statement on Saturday, Nairobi City County's Lands County Executive Christopher Kayamba said that the Nairobi City County would begin demolition with the 6 buildings next to the one that collapsed. But even as that directive was issued, those whose lives were forever altered by the events of the night of April the 29th, like Dealeryn, life begins anew. A sponsored shopping spree by Nairobi City Senator Mike Sonko will see the young child get a wardrobe makeover. Father and child can now pick up the pieces of their broken lives. Ralston now has to be to her both mother and father. Otieno, KTN News.